It's a new action-packed Buzz Lightyear movie! Alright, move it up! Somebody put it in the basement! Put it in! My tiny arms can't reach!
Okay. Hold your horses, Rex.
Put it in!
Gosh, it's stuck.
Ah!
Just kidding.
Let me take a look at that. A Buzz Lightyear movie.
What do you know? You don't look so fat when they draw you that way.
Let's watch it.
Yes, quick!
Buzz, we're not gonna watch the whole thing. We just want to see all the commercials at the beginning.
What? He's kidding, Rex.
Excuse me, Mr. Lightyear. You want to sign that paper? It might be worth something to you.
We can sign it later! Put it in!
Our thing's jammed.
Jammed! Oh, I can't stand the suspense!
Oh boy.
Rex.
Gee, maybe we went too far.
Just kidding!
Good one, Rex. Very good.
Oh, just chew it tomorrow. Yeah. Release that.
By purchasing this DVD, you are supporting the UK film and television industry. Thank you.